Organic compounds can be found in living things and once-living things. They contain carbon. Inorganic compounds can be found in non-living things, such as rocks. The acronym SHNOPS can be broken down into carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, which are the 6 most commonly found elements in living or organic organisms. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, and its molecules share magnetic bonds because of their polarity. This can be shown with water's surface tension. A mixture can be a suspension where the 2 or more things mixed don't combine, or a solution where the solvent dissolves the solute. Base is something on the pH scale that is closer to 0 than to 7. An acid is a substance that is closer to 14 on the pH scale than it is to 7. Carbohydrates are a biomacromolecule that have the chemical formula of C6H12O6 and form rings or chain shapes. Here is some granulated table sugar. What a quick source of energy. Proteins are used for all major and minor body functions. You can get proteins from a number of things, but one of the best sources of protein is meat. Enzymes are proteins that decrease chemical reaction speeds. An enzyme attaches to the substrate and breaks parts of it down to allow for the chemical reactions. A monosaccharide is 1 carbohydrate, a disaccharide is 2 carbohydrates, and a polysaccharide is any carbohydrate that has a chain of 3 or more carbohydrates. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. There are 20 different kinds of amino acids, and they each bond together to make different proteins. Protein chains are different shapes. The different shapes result with different functions. Triglycerides are the building blocks of lipids. This is an example of a saturated fat or triglyceride. This is what an unsaturated fat or triglyceride would look like. Nucleic acids are an organic compound that stores and transmits genetic info. They also contain ATP, which when broken down releases usable energy. A nucleotide is a building block of a nucleic acid.